I'm Shelly from ORIEMAC. Now we are in Shanghai Port. Today I will show you a mining dump truck. Let's go. The mining dump truck behind me is the protagonist today, which is ready to ship to Niger. This is the HOWO 6x4 mining dump truck. Capacity is 17 tons. Now I will show you the engine. Let's go. Look, the mining dump truck is equipped with WEICHAI engine. The power is 371 horsepower and emission is Europe 2. We can also equip different power and different brand engine according to your demands. Now what we see is the cargo. The cargo length is 5.8 meters, the width is 3.1 meters and the height is 1.8 meters. The thickness of the bottom is 16 millimeters and the size is 12 millimeters. The mining dump truck is a left-hand driver with one sleeper, air conditioner, and adjustable seat. If you want to know more about our company and our product, please call me. See you.